Good morning, welcome to Goodwill. In this video presentation, we will see how we can trade in MCX crude oil in 3-minute candlestick chart. Normally, by using trend channels, we used to identify the daily changes in the trend. And yesterday, we had drawn 3 trend channels. Let's see how it had performed in the yesterday's trading session. This is the first trend channel we had drawn, and you could see the price opened around here and it tried to take support but resulted in a failure. Again tried to move up, but it failed and came down to resistance, and it starts coming down, and after breaking this red line, it fell down drastically. So it shows a clear momentum that the price is not very consistent with the buying momentum. There is some selling happening on tops. So especially this trend channel had provided us a clear indication to guide us and to protect us. So now let's see let's go for the second trend channel, whatever we had drawn. So this is the second trend channel we had drawn for the yesterday's market, and now let's see. I'm going to decrease the scale a bit. So it's a downtrend channel, and you could see after the price opening, constantly the price is taking resistance. This is a wonderful example how a trend channel can give us some clear insight. After breaking, it says that the price is still on the downside. So the market had given us a clear direction with the help of the second trend channel. Now let's see the third trend channel. Normally we used to draw 3 trend channels for a day. So this is the third trend channel. The price traded nowhere within the trend channel. The price trading was away from the trend channel, indicating that the momentum is on the downside. So three trend channels definitely would have helped us and guided us to take a good trading decision. Now let's see how we can draw 3 trend channel for today. So this is our first trend channel. So how we had drawn, we had connected the high here, and we had projected a trend channel. The objective of this trend channel is today the price is expected to open somewhere near 4,700. So this trend channel red line should act as a resistance, and all these lines will act as a diagonal resistance for the market. In order for the price to move up, it should climb and break all these resistance lines. So this is the first trend channel, and now let's see the next 2 trend channels also. So probably this is the second trend channel. How we had drawn this trend channel, because we could see if we neglect the price action, whatever happened here, we could say the price had some trend going down. So we picked the channel. So since the price is expected to open somewhere here, we want to see whether this red line is providing resistance for the market to push the price down further. So that's the objective of the next trend channel. Now let's see the third trend channel. So this is the third trend channel what we had drawn. By picking the low, you could see the contract low. This is the contract low. By picking the low, we had drawn a third trend channel. All our channels is focusing on these price actions around 4,700. If the price wants to move up, it should break this blue line, and it should enter into this channel so that it will have some momentum on the buying side. So 3 trend channels for today in order to give us or take us guide us and help us to take a good decision. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care. Bye.